dreams hit an unseen border.
So I made it all the way from Germany to Kuusamo cabin. Why I couldn't start the business in Germany? Well, I was working in IT and the company tried to force me to move to Berlin, even though I had a remote job and it was in the contract. Yeah, I didn't like it much that they changed my contract without consulting me really. So in the end, I didn't go to Berlin and then they fired me. I don't know how illegal that was, but I had no interest in starting to fight. So after that I decided that I will start a workshop in our hometown because I was building it already for myself, and I started to investigate, and I got from the unemployment office some instructions that if I start my business or register it or something within half a year they will pay me extra. And I think there was a lot of moments where we were lost in translation, since I really didn't understand exactly how the bureaucracy works, even though Germans don't understand it, but for me it was even harder. And I really was thinking that if I register the company in half a year, I will get the next half a year my unemployment money and some extra money just to get the thing started. But of course it wasn't like that, and they really didn't tell me that much information. I mean, it was all the time I had to ask, and still the information was very, very limited. And most of the time I got the very official bureaucratic letters in German, which even my friends didn't understand. Half year passed and I worked quite hard to get all the bureaucracy done to start the business. I had the business plan, I had the finance plan, sales, marketing, all possible plans, and I had product lists of different products that I could do in the workshop. And the thing is about the workshop that I built my own 3D printer and the laser engraver, big one. And the laser engraver especially is like super cool tool. And I was thinking that the business will be around that laser engraver, and I can make so cool things, furniture and some lights, like you can cut from MDF or plywood parts and assemble really cool looking lights and all kinds of decoration stuff. And but for the business, to start the business, I had to talk to Handwerkkammer. Things went forward and I had all the plans and product ideas, and then in the very end they were checking my product list because it had like each product explained how it's done, the materials, everything. And they said, no, you can't do this, no. They went through it, and most of the things that I really wanted to do, I could not do. For example, I can't make furniture. I've been a carpentry club manager for 10 years in Finland. I'm half finished carpenter in studies in Finland, but I worked in IT for 15 years. And I have a master degree in information systems. So they said, you have to be a master carpenter in Germany to start a business that makes, where you make furniture and also the lights. No, I can't do that. So in the end, I could not do most of the cool things. So this was not nice. And I thought, okay, maybe I find some solution. And I went forwards with the process. And then I knew that, okay, I need to get some tax number and something else. And I registered something in our city website, and there was the thing, I didn't understand what was happening. And then I get the bill for 26 euros to pay for the whatever I did on this website. It looked like just a bill, and the main thing for it was I had to pay. And I didn't know, is this where the process starts, or so are they now starting to go through it, or is it done? And I thought that, okay, anyway, when they approve it, I need to get the tax number. But tax number also was actually on it, on the other side, in the middle of all the other text, but the name just isn't tax number, it's something else, I guess. And actually this letter was also saying that my business has been approved, which I didn't understand, of course. So what happened was that on that day, the unemployment office cut my money, and also I lost health insurance in Germany. No one told me this. They never mentioned to me that after that date I should apply somewhere else for money, or I should get my own health insurance or anything. So I was still thinking I will get some extra money. And oh my god, a little bit over 1 month later I noticed that I didn't get any money. What's happening? And of course this guy was who I was the contact person in the unemployment office. He was on a summer holiday, so I sent him several emails, and then he didn't answer, and then I noticed that I had sent already questions to him, and then I noticed there's no money, and oh my god, and I started to think, can it be that I don't have the health insurance, because this is a problem in Germany. And okay, I ran to the unemployment office to check it, and they are there. Yeah, you have been cut off. We don't know why. It was like, oh, what? And my life was anyways a little bit challenging at that point, so I was really like, oh my god, what will I do now? And I was already also disappointed that I could not actually do the things that I wanted. So I cancelled the whole thing as quickly as I could. I immediately went to the city website, because I have seen there that you can actually cancel the business. This much I understood in German. And, so I cancelled it, and the unemployment office started to registered me back. But that was the story of my business. It was a total failure. And I started to think, okay, what will I now do? Because I'm trying to solve how to live between two countries, between Finland and Germany. And most jobs, even if it's remote, there's some rules. You can't just be wherever you want. So they have like, you can be 10 days in a foreign country. You have to, most of the time you have to be in Germany or something like that. And for a few months I was really kind of desperate. I came here to my cabin for a few weeks to think about it. And then I came up with the idea that I have lots of Finnish projects in my workshop, or previously I built a boat, I built a steampunk home brewery, I built all kinds of music instruments, all kinds of stuff, and I still have the laser engraver that enables me to make cool things. So the past things and the future things, I can make a lot of YouTube videos about these projects, and some of them are really crazy, so maybe people wouldn't like them. And also this cabin, I have here a lot of projects, and I want to turn this place into this mindfulness retreat. So I decided I will start 2 channels, the JP Kallio's Workshop of Wonders, which is for the projects and the workshop, and the Arctic Mindfulness Retreat channel, which is for the mindfulness thing, nature, hiking, fishing, all things about self, nature, and also about AI. So I want to combine nature, technology, and human life, whatever. So that's what I'm now starting, and that's the story why I could not start my business in Germany. So I bought a good camera, which is filming now. The information will be in the description. I also bought a drone, so there will be some nice captures here around the cabin, above it, on the lake, and on some spots around the cabin where I go hiking and fishing and such.
My path has come in sight, from workshop walks to YouTube shows, and new adventure grows. Lasers
if I'm going to make my life out of this YouTube videos, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I need to start adding content. I just started to learn the video editing. Luckily my friend had a good laptop because mine was way too lazy. It could not edit anything. The sounds video was clipping, and when I rendered the video, it took 1.5 hours, and with this new laptop it took less than 5 minutes. So now I have a powerful laptop to edit the videos even here at the cabin. Yeah, so the Camaro I found a garage thanks to family members. So I hope you join me on my journey. If you are interested in the projects, building some crazy things in my workshop or here, you can follow that. Or if you are interested in nature, Finland, Lapland, fishing, hunting, hiking, meditation, mindfulness, picking berries, picking mushrooms, cooking in nature, fish cleaning, all kinds of all things like that, then you can follow the Mindfulness Retreat channel. Or best it would be if you can follow both and tell your friends. I don't have any high expectations. I think the first year will for sure be very difficult, but let's see. And feel free to give me comments on the videos, or just comments how to, if you know something that would help me. Yeah, let's make it happen. I think now I will go and warm up my sauna.
In the land of rules and order, my dreams hit an unseen border. Master carpenter, they said I should be, but my visions were wild and free. Here in the Arctic light, my path has come in sight. From workshop woes to YouTube shows, a new adventure grows. Lasers, printers, gears in motion, crafting dreams with deep devotion. They said my plans just wouldn't do, so I found a way to make them true. Here in the Arctic light, my path has come in sight. From workshop woes to YouTube shows, a new adventure grows. Lasers, printers, gears in motion, crafting dreams with deep devotion. They said my plans just wouldn't do, so I found a way to make them true. So say computer code meets Nordic wood, nature and tech understood. Two channels, one creative mind, leaving limits far behind. Workshop wonders, cabin peace, tinkering projects never cease. Arctic mindfulness, AI's new world, blending parts to make me whole. Here in the Arctic light, my path has come in sight. From workshop woes to YouTube shows, a new adventure grows. Between two lands I found my way, Germany and Finland where I'll stay. Creating videos, bridging worlds apart, the perfect blend of home and heart. Final cruise, workshop ideas bloom, in Crusamo's calm, find my room. Two homes, one life through camera's eye. My story soars, no need to choose or say goodbye. Ooh, no need to choose or say goodbye.